Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. And today you guys are watching e-learning with Suruchi and I am your educator Suruchi Mahato. So in this particular video I will show you some basic concepts of LaTeX code. So in this video you will learn how to create or create a list, okay, using enumerate environment. Okay, so this is a kind of list which I will show. Is an example. You can use some other elements instead of this particular thing and you can make a very interesting list using LaTeX code. Okay, so what I have shown here, I have shown two cities name, that is first one is Kolkata and second is Delhi. On Kolkata I have showed you some restaurants. So first restaurants, then there are name of two restaurants and I have put inside these things. So how could you number these list using enumerate environment in LaTeX? So this was my aim to make you understand. So without wasting the time, let's get started. So here you can see some LaTeX code I did to make that program run. So what I did first, I have first wrote those preamble and after that I have used the code for enumerate environment. For the first I have used ALF. ALF means if you want to write capital A, B, C, capital alphabets, you have to use ALF. So the first for the beginning of first environment I put small Roman 1. Okay, so you have to put 1 over there. For the second one I have used Roman capital R. So Roman is basically for Roman letters on your list. Okay, so if you want Roman letters on your list you will use ROMN. For the small alphabets you will use Arabic on your list. Okay, so they can number those things for 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can use only 4 numbers. You can only add enumerate one inside another up to 4 and above that you can't even use that. I mean up to 4 to 5 you can add the enumerate environment one inside another and after that you have to start the enumerate. Okay, so I did the code in that particular way and after that I started the document. So I have wrote begin document, then begin enumerate. For enumerate I have used Kolkata. Then what I just want to create some other enumerate inside this particular enumerate because I want restaurant inside the Kolkata. Okay, so the Kolkata is inside the restaurant is inside the Kolkata and the name of these restaurants like Arsalan is inside the restaurant and biryani, salad, chicken are the menu of Arsalan. That means these dishes are present inside the restaurant and the restaurant is present inside the restaurant of Kolkata and this particular restaurant is present inside Kolkata. So Arsalan and Bantha are the name of two restaurants which is present in the restaurant of Kolkata. So you can use in such a way and add the enumerates one inside another up to 4 to 5. Okay, and last I have used Delhi. So up to this I have just completed end enumerate and end document. So this was it. Let's see, I'm gonna execute it with LaTeX if there is any error or not. So you can see there is no error present, there is no warning, no error, no overfull. So this is completely fit and fine program which I did over here. Now it's time to execute or run it. Okay, so I have run it with PDF view. So yeah, this is the PDF which you get. So this was it. If you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification very earlier and learn something more new and innovative things. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.